In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and trade on Ctrader desktop for prop firm accounts. We'll go from download to placing and managing trades so you can feel confident using the platform with your prop firm account. Start by downloading Ctrader desktop either from your prop firm's dashboard or directly from ctrader.com. Choose the version for your operating system, run the installer, and open the app when it finishes. On the welcome screen, click Log In with Ctrader ID and enter the email associated with your Ctrader profile so the platform can link to your trading accounts. Once you're in, look to the top right and open your profile menu. Here you can select the specific prop firm trading account you want to connect. This ensures you're operating under the correct login with the correct rules and capital. On the left sidebar, click Trade to open the main trading workspace. If you have multiple prop firm accounts, use Switch Account to confirm you're on the right one before taking any action. In the symbols list, right-click the instrument you want to trade and choose New Chart. A fresh chart will appear so you can analyze price action. Use the time frame buttons at the top, such as 1mm, 5m, or 1h, to change your view. Shorter time frames show more granular moves, while higher time frames help you see the bigger trend. Next, click Indicators at the top of the chart to add tools like RSI or Moving Average. Keep your chart clean and purposeful. Add what supports your plan and avoid clutter. When you're ready, click New Order. Select your settings, then choose Buy or Sell to enter the market. After your trade is placed, you'll see lines on the chart for stop loss and take profit. Drag the SL and TP lines to fine-tune your risk to reward. This visual adjustment helps you lock in discipline and confirm that your stop and target align with your strategy. To monitor open trades, click Positions at the bottom. You can check entry price, P&L, and exposure, and close a trade anytime by clicking the X next to it. If your prop firm allows automation, click Automate, sometimes labeled CBOT, at the top to run CBOTs for testing within the firm's guidelines. Finally, click History to review results, see wins and losses, and evaluate performance against your prop firm objectives. That's it. Follow these steps, keep risk tight, and use the platform's tools to stay systematic and consistent.